Clearing out some space here. This would be a perfect time to show you guys without sacrificing one just for a video. This is a grapevine. I am currently holding it upside down. If you can see it. Holding it upside down. See all that water coming out of there? That is pure, clean, filtered drinking water. This is referred to as a water vine. You can find grapevines growing wild up into the canopies all over the southeast. This right here is a good, clean water source. Water vine. Grapevines. Sure is some good, tasty stuff.